Actually, Bible trip he subject to an la ka hang mi auge to tili iram to an sanauge. Ishi we church limrakli was not now iram now mukning he raho with the subject to an exai the Terkasawe. And in a Karelil hangaita the in a subject to an exai and in Tangkhul to an exai mrakling tere. Kajibawa Bible akum hi subject to an klat ka pai lay wo. Ka jibaji in a Tangkhul to an klat luika tadak lamna gai. Jivaina mragakri in a subject to an klatak lana Tangkhul to an klatak lake tell kang te vare achuit. We desire peace, happiness, and success in our lives. We hope to have them sooner than later. The important question is, what is the basis or foundation of your hope? Your hope to find peace, to find happiness, and to receive success. Are you hoping on the basis of your achievements, abilities, and assets? While these things in themselves are not bad, it is how you use them that will determine the directions of your life. Jesus calls us into a community that is caring and sharing. In this community where Jesus calls us, we find our security and confidence not in our wealth or achievement, however important they may be, but rather in our relationship with God. This relationship with God is characterized by service to others and to one another. Because our hope is in God, there is no need to be anxious about tomorrow. So anxious that we need to start hoarding, collecting, and accumulating wealth. Certainly we have to save. There's no doubt about it. If we can, we have to save. But there is no point in hoarding, accumulating wealth when we have put our trust in God. One of the early church saints, one of the sharpest minds that the church has produced, Saint Augustine, has this to say about the wealth that we have. The safest place to keep your money or your wealth is to give it away to the poor and the needy. The human wisdom says the safest place for me to invest my wealth or to keep my wealth is in a bank or to invest it in stocks or others. But Augustine said the safest place for you to keep your wealth, money, is not in the bank or other places, but to give it to the poor and needy. There are many researches on happiness, how to be happy, how to find happiness. One of the researchers, according to one of these researchers, there are two things that are essential to feel happy in life. One is a sense of belonging to a community. The second is the belief that what you do matters. First one, a sense of belonging to a community. No matter how rich you are, powerful you are, if you don't feel that sense of belonging to a group, to a family, you will never be happy. So it is important that we attach ourselves to a community. And for us, this community is our church. our Christian community. When we attach ourselves to the church, we get a sense of belonging. That is very important for us emotionally, psychologically. I feel very liberated when I feel that I belong to my wife, I belong to my daughter, I belong to my community. Without this sense of belongingness, there is no happiness. That is why many times you have heard me say that young people should find a place for themselves in our society. If you can come to the church, fine. But I will not say that the church is the only place. You can go to the fellowship, you can go to other churches, fellowship, but find a place where you belong to some group. Or if you are not religious, I would like you to be religious certainly, but if you are not religious, attach yourself to a society. For example, now we have the Tangkhul Naga Welfare Society, Bangalore. Attach yourself to that. Don't be alone. Because if you're alone, you will not get happiness. The second, the belief that what you do matters. That means there is a purpose in what you do. What you do matters to us, to the church and to the community. Never underestimate the contribution of anybody. You go around the city and you see many garbage collectors in Bangalore city on the streets. Don't underestimate them. It is said that if the garbage collectors stop working, all the cities in India will grind to a halt. Cities cannot survive without garbage collectors. So don't underestimate the contribution of these people. Everyone is important in God's community. You may think that you are doing something small, but know that when you are in a God's community, your contribution, your service is valued, is recognized, and therein lies your happiness. Your happiness, my happiness, do not lie in accumulating wealth, but how we use our wealth. Does not lie in us being alone, but how we relate to one another. How we use our gift that God has given to us to serve others. Be in a community and know that your service is recognized by us and above all by God. Achu we Bible we Tangkhul hiwaina itum na kachung ka Tangkhul bai. Ka matai lak Khayaipam Khamrang itum yangsa. Khani khigla jigha kachihan no maram la ka kala ngaranda khangarai we apong la ka. Achu itum kya khana ia larik mathem mane ia pangshap malay mane ia paisa la malay mane the ning teo the lay the lay kla itum nga chaili itum li Jesu Christana achu we Bible ti pa mai na hang the clay power manga chielo kaja ungram ji nali mi haire kajine e shi Tangkhul liya hitadak pisanga dele ungram ji na tumli khami hi na tumai awawo we ringa phana dak pisanga dele ka Greek we grammar lenga mi haire kajine mi re kajine ne mi haire kajine ma tuiba hiya awisa khang theli ka hang ne ka tui khlat ba hiya na ilila achu tasung da khle ne revra we ungram ji itumli mi gai ne na ili mi gai hi kachung ka le babam lan la itum kai khani li mirasa re khana wi lan or ari issue wi YouTube ministry ngana da klen tum kai ping paisa la leibapam da le re kai tum na tai ki ba na itum mai kachi han hi itum mai lan li itum mai paisa li itum nam hai bai mane shimana re ibahia lag isi tangkhul wi kashang khangam grai hia khangatai ni yang kha mathuk mane pai lakana zatak leine yana achu ine hi pesa kha singa we lan kha le ha we da lang so hi maran rang jine wo ithumai ka shang ka sai khang te na nga hau yang kha na veng lak jine wo ithumai aya ji i pray wani le an internet yang la ka Europe li ka shang naw bing we shim atama kalim ho la kan le sa Ajua mikibak mapam la kamasai aina leidak lei we amuji stage ne kashang naw bing we shimji common room ji athume common room ji itum naru exhibit tak lei hili hak mai ceiling la tek mate la kan shamai de lei laga atam at akli shang hau ge da jili thong thang bing ji la kamathata la ta lei de lei Shapshing Lelia Kashana Bing he Shimli piano hai Common room jili mi amale laktura more higher piano ji kacham majitada achitek akali laidale Jingamaku tumrang pangama manglia Shimkurji shang lak moholagan lay sadale re Kaju kamasai Kibaka male Lan atungli itumai kajahan hi shemra kaji karanga sangeda masangmre lagi preveni li chitai deklamo hi Europe we Poland we aina Germany we aina hikta pam Austria we aina thada chitai deklaine itumai lan hi la atum kai kana chansam ka sa tha da angachang vai kashuga itumai apam li shimli Rapu lega kale lega satui hawe. Nana aju na wishim hi palace ne yang tekam de shim ne de pring saji kibana thei chingum ko thumrao thili kibak lam le samre. Chikathali kachahanji itum samre. Kavri rana itum li mi kai limit jili kachahanji legi jine. Kuchunga miye Ka inare hang kai ba no ba Rani tum limit kimami mi haidale sok mi mirin mi haidale Jimang maning la katang makawai mirin la itum li mi haidale Kala hili ari rapam da klebing chungchang hi ri kai ne Ner ki katam ranjli Rana mangla gathar mi gi hi na mam lai no Jishu Kristali ruki katam ranjli mangla gathar we sok mi ta kata tha da na ilila rukhi katam tranjli mangla kathari limit hi mi khai de laga ishina ka chang li akshida prohoi phak jat ka satam tranjli vrivrana itumli awe ashi aina awe asa hi mi da kleine Jishu Krishna itumli mangachilo sokmi hi mi haira gji doing a shit He Hogapok we akum trada panga Abraham we Kerjan jena kateo kang rai jade Hogapok we akum trada panga hili Abraham li krewa aming Abraham ain jasai jadam tranjili Ali rirana ralaka mangachilo ina nali somi re tahange yana Abraham na yo kisadi mangachigida iya naola malay ranga Ina matui sang kahai, iwi shimli kadhi kibana kuira, iwi rau Eliezer, Damascus, we Eliezer and kuira la, the Abraham na rurali ngahan kade, yana rurana anamu kuimre, kayang li shok layang laga sira, na we now tunji sira ta the chungre, atum na sambang ra the rurana Abraham lehangi. Eliezer He Bible li apam himang li rashoke. Eliezer gaji hi Hebrew aming ne. Greek ainak la chokai Eliezer hi Lazarus. the shock look we akum trada truk jili Lazarus aina ka shang nau akwe kerjan zangdale ka shang nau ba jina chi kai dili Lazarus we mirinji ka haulak hawe Lazarus li ilisheba sami kwai truk deuga mi kwai ta na poi ka awe ning jang ji mong sum tui Jehudi ba sin hangda atome kerjan li Wariurana itumli somengaya ka Marakali itumeng chayli itumay ramli itumay churchli Lazarus ich horais de Ka Lazarus kratam tranjli namatay mare ahi Lazarus namatay mare nanamagtay miyazak ay narare Atamji tranjli na Lazarus li sebasami haya ka Odram utume haya ka nawivang sokmi legijin Kashang na ubajina ring the lelaka Lazarus li sebasami kapai. Jam haugi the chor haugi the ali sebasami isa si sazija asok me samang re. Hui kami samang re jamaning mago jang. Hui kami samang ye itu me wat kasani samang ning mane. Ka sok me samang re. Ka ring the lelaka Lazarus legishilu kumashan derka sabaji li kashang na ubajina Sheba masatu ke da awe mirinji kanang hawe, chot hawe. Itu me mirinji la marak li azak magatay Lazarus johora da kle. Chiwi wangai na isi church na miling chon da kle hi kaulak da kle chiwi wangai. Itu me mangali ra da kle. Bed li pibam da kle, kanang da kle chot da kle hi Lazarus da le re. Ali sheba samis. Idum somi kwai ba bang samning ne ka Kristo mingli samai se de isi church na lan malai salala ka shap aine dang de isina sami de kleine Briurana itum psychology limit me ka hi sing la ka itum mirinli odram khang tu hi terka sane Briuraling rai maman la ka a kharajing rai maman la ka ngranda Odram kang tay darka sane. Kala isi Tangkhul li kang zanakan itum may Tangkhul nga shanli kala akana. School li itum atamak lwaja sa sao dak tay niwo. National bing li jo larik palo i office li wa fura i mung rang lang dang da palo da itum na hangaw ra itum school office li wa ra. Jithai ka national bing ka chung chang na mapam ra kamong li akana riyang pam ra Wajai hi man rather late letter. Young Jenna Kang Daping the Real Bombra. Jenna was a rather lay Jenna Katong like Parekli Hora. Young Chitade. Is she Tangkhul way among la Reni Legima Tamarco? Tishu Christa rather lay Jahaika me hit hermas at Megista. Itum Nuida Lelaka 1970s we atam tranjile Jishu Krista radle the church ka kala mile chunga istada yena 1980s marak chilila mina chapshinau kai kana 1988 lira ora da hang kai kan 93 94 ra da hang au da chilila chunga isda yena bri ra da le de khanga chi we wa ngai na pichara jilima sang khwai khang chi wa na dharma ka sak chung itum dharma ka sai bri ra le khang chi an ma sa pum bre Jishu Krista li itum na kang shik hiya lay shida kang shik hi sap no itum na ngaji da dharma ga zari ma ka namane ang yung malay na chia ta da shimana we ka lay shida ga sa hi darka ga sa ne awa na we awa iwe awa na itum li shaba sami da lay hi atum na now da itum na atum li lay shida kang shik ning jang de Awag sa de inang labo na iling chi rangay na ili kang shiki imaning chang mane. Ina ali lek shi tada ana ili le shi lak ay na kang shiki ning chang jine. Jita ta kumay na vrivran la itum li le shi tada itum na la vrivran le shi da ngashik lo jina ngajida gajim ning la le shi da kang shiki vrivran ning chang jine. Vrivran itum li mi kai le med kachung le Kajong Jangli Tumla Quing Tong me Haidale. a queen talk he matada sijin lo. Larik palog jibing ji lungsan lak kaina larik palak sijin la queen talki. Asia Tangkhul now being he a queen talk contribution is society li church li kawata kleine. Nali mi haidale ka matalak kaina sijin lo. Politics we pong lila, church we pong lila, luncheon we pong lila, talent lay haine. Ka a queen talk ji samatak zak laga ka shoot ka zak laga zatakle mi hi muchung tu jinwo. Yana mi dale ka matala ka ne sijin lo. Nali phasa ka matha mi dale ka na we yang pang subject na sheba salu. Nali manglawi limit mi dale ka manglaw odram ji ka shong la kaina salu. Atam itum gotong lengrai cha da mi dale de atam hi ili chungmai nali tiaw mai jam lemne. Thangali punghi mukuda mati le dak laine ili thumra ka mi mening ne na thumle mukumang ka mi mening ngrai cha da mukuda mati pung mi dak laine. Atam hi matha da season je. Pi pam lakha ngrui zat lakha ji atam ji mening mane. Ka matha la ne season je. Nali na we ning khan ka jan ning klum he. Nali mi khai we ji matha la ka ne season lakha. Jishu na twing shit sa gai nali ungram mi hai rai ji hi itum sak la kai na khoi la ga itum mi mirin hi shem khawai sa sai hili bible li achwe tu bam na hang gai tha tra itum me what ka sa kran ji sa si ji akhawa ji ni itum li shaba sa mi ra da hang da lai de itum na sa ran ji nali mi gai le ma ji shi jin la ka ring si ji jishu krista na vrana itum li shaba sa ra tang itum mana sheba ka samne la an itum le sheba sami re ta hang dale sheba sak me monga ke hi itum na chari ra la ka sa sang rum jen na pang sap sam ka pang la sang rum jen itum we mang la hi nga phao ka shok re ra we ka territory nga na khoi jen itum me mirin hi ma khui da le sa ji ma shung ka khui re ra na awe tui aina awe mi aina itum le sheba sami da kre ani hi hang ga thiu de itum li sheba sami da kre itum nang waya sa la re ran itum li mishuming sangai la ke peter we kharzan ji la peter na jisu christ li kathum shida hataw jisu christ na ring lu gai li peter le kathum shida na ili le shila dang han ne ma dang han ka tam ran ji li jisu christ na peter le kathum shida ordram nguthulo tahang yaw bingli phawilo yaw bingli yanglo yaw bingli phawilo tahang ta jibaba me ithum lila ithum we lan lameti shijin laka krista umingli shijin laka mili shaba ka sa krista kharahi ngrai mamanda khangjian kharai khangrai maningla khalai ga shi aina ngrai mamanda ali mili sheba ka sa hi itumai wat ne itumai tangkhul la we khangja wat ka sa hi la ka sa ta ma ka sa ta jim tham re itum li wat mi hai ka ngarak sak kaina aruk kui wa shung da wat ka sa ji sa pum re lai ka tam na bing na ma talai na tam lo atam ji lai clean ve sa lo wat ka sa bing na atam ji yang ji wat ka sa li sa lo third mashungda kasahi itami watne hitai ka now da jisu christ la kratam tranjili itam na ali maya rongaina leshi lakaina samang sabre gachi lakaina maningla jisu christ wa itum li leshi da kleinda itum li khuisang ge le da kleinda itum le miyami ge somi da le da kleinda mangachi lo ongram ji mi ka hai ne mi ka hai pang sabji shi jin la ka awe ming le shaba sa la ka ring se amen.